Hello, what's up guys? I'm going to show you in this video how you can earn a good amount of money by just selling ebooks, not by writing it. Okay, this video is for both those who don't know anything, who don't have any skill, who just want to generate a passive income, and also for those who can able to write ebooks, and it's a good platform to publish your books and make it to the great height. So guys, lots of students are asking me a question that, sir, can you please guide me how you can able to sell it? Okay, there are different platforms and through which you can market your products and you can able to generate a passive income. Passive income is just like, guys, you just need to do a one time job. You just need to do just make books and just publish it on a reputed websites who are doing your search engine optimization and everything for you, and you just sit on your home and while you are sleeping your money is already generated in your account. So it's a good way to earn a passive income. Okay, so I'm going to show you step by step how you can able to do it. Okay, for those who don't know, I should recommend, for those who don't know anything, who don't have any skill, they can resell the publishers of others. Okay, and just make an impact and can earn up to, guys, $5 to $10 per week, or you can say that per day as well. If you are consistent, if you are a good in publishing it, then you can able to earn $100 a day as well. Guys, people are earning good amount by just selling their own product or others product online. So guys, why there is a need to publish an ebook? I should tell you guys, because of the booming of this industry, internet, even on the rural areas as well, you are able to have an impact on others. So the people who cannot buy a good books, okay, they can publish their things and worldwide they are available to you. Okay, so it's a good platform. I just recommend you to just have a look. So I don't waste any time, guys. Okay, I just tell you some websites through which, from where you can download your ebooks for publishing it. Okay, just totally free, guys, not even a penny from your pocket is there. So I just do recommend this website, and another website is PLR Downloads. So these are the two websites from where you can download your ebooks and just put it on sale. So this is a website, guys, okay, through which you can earn a good amount of money. This is a website where you can earn a good amount of money. Okay, I just provide these links in your description box. Okay, so just click on this create. Okay, just click on this create, and you can see that in the documents, just click on this document. Okay, and you can see that, guys, create your free document. Okay, just click on this thing and it will ask you to register. Okay, just type your name, okay, and your email ID. And just click on the sign up button so that you can redirect it to different slide. Okay, so it's very easy, guys. Okay, you can see that it is in the document section, guys. In the document section you can see lot of things: resumes, cover letter, white paper. Okay, you just need just ebook. Okay, you can see that ebook. You just click on this ebook and you can see that there are lots and lots of templates for ebook, and I just want to sell it online, guys. That's it. You can see that if I want to sell this, if I want to preview this, guys, you can see that it is, the tags are ebook, fitness, workout, okay, the guide, diet and plan. Okay, so these are the tags that you can see that eat well, vegetarian, nutrition, so which are from diets. Okay, this is good for those, okay, which are more bent towards a fitness purpose. Okay, so this is a way how you can earn, and you can see that hover over it, and it's a whole book note. Okay, you can see that, and it's absolutely free, guys, for you. You can just sell these things online. It's just a template that anyone can buy. Okay, so if you just guys, if you just I just do recommend you, okay, if you make your book, okay, this template, you can see that this template of $1.5, okay, $1.5, okay, and you just multiply it with different kind of users. You can see that, guys, 32 point plus million plus users are there on Amazon. You have know the potential of Amazon. Okay, it's worldwide. Even if I sell it for $1.5, okay, just a template, $1.5, it's not too much, guys, it's just simple. Okay, and if I just multiply it with only 1,000 people, $1,500 just by copy pasting it. Okay, why I do need to recommend you to sell it $1.5? Because, guys, people are more bent towards your earning. Okay, just $1.5 if you set up. Okay, you can set up $2 as well. Okay, if I just set up $2, suppose 2 into 1,000, then it's $2,000, guys. It's very good amount, and you can earn just passively. You don't need to just one time publish. Okay, I just do recommend you to have a look on these things. Okay, so just cross it and just put your mouse over this edit button and just click on this edit button. Okay, and wait for it. Okay, and guys, you can even do some modifications as well. You can change your name as well. Okay, you can change your name in this. Okay, you can change the background and all. You can hover over it and see the photographics, basics, data, media, what type of things you can see, and individual page you can do it online. Okay, just do it. What you need to do, you can change the name of this, make your own templates. Okay, guys, so for those who know how to create a book, it's a good opportunity for them to publish their books like this. Okay, and for those who don't know it, you just cut copy paste. Okay, you just cut copy paste your books, and you can eventually strategize some more concepts as well. So I just recommend you to have a look. For those people who know how to do it, you just need to do some modifications, and you can able to make your ebook and sell it online. Okay, for those who don't know, okay, I just do recommend you this website, freeplrdownloads.com. Okay, you just have a look, and just in this you can select the category, guys. Okay, just select categories, free PLR ebooks. Okay, so that you are not stuck in any kind of copyright issues, so that your account should not be banned, and you can sell these ebooks. Lot of ebooks, guys. You can see that there are 30 pages. Okay, lots and lots of ebooks out there, and different kind of taste. You can see that business, affiliate marketing, the booming books for those affiliate marketing, and just you need to just post it online, guys. It's not bad if you just sell it for these books for let us suppose I just sell it for $5, and you can see if I have a crowd of not only 1,000, but if I have 10,000 people as well, $50,000 in your pocket just by publishing other books. Okay, you can see that it's a good amount, guys. Okay, there is not instant money. Okay, but you need to have a patience, and I just provide you how you can able to do it. I just show you how you can able to do it. Just click on this one of the ebook, and you can see that guys, you need these descriptions and the number of pages and all. Okay, just have a look and just click on this download button and you can download it easily. And for this template you can download here also. Okay, just do some modification and you can download. I just show you how you can able to sign in. Okay, I just provide this link for kdp.amazon.com. Okay, just do have a read on these kind of websites. Okay, I just provide the link for this website on my description box. Don't worry, I just need to sign up. Okay, so if you have already having account, you just put your email ID and password. I am new to this. If I am new to this KDP, I just create your KDP account. Okay, if you are a new user, okay, just type in your name. Okay, just type in your name. Oh, your email ID. Okay, your password. Okay, just click on this, create your KDP account. Okay, there is a puzzle that you need to fill. Okay, what is the puzzle? P6NR GM. Okay, just click on the continue button. Okay, and a verification mail to your email ID is there. Okay, you can see that there is a verification code. This is a OTP that you need to put. Okay, just copy it and just paste it and just verify it. Okay, very easy guys. And just add your mobile number guys. Okay, so guys, after adding your mobile number and OTP, this is a page that is open in front of you. Okay, you just need to click on this Kindle ebook. Okay, just click on this thing and you are redirected to this page. Okay, just simple guys, it's very simple for you. Just you need to add the book title, subtitle. Okay, it is optional. Series name. Okay, edition name is also optional. You can put your name. We have seen that what type of the name of the book. Okay, if you want to publish on your own, then you can change your name as well. Okay, and if it's your thought, and you can put it here and here. Okay, and the contributors. Okay, you can have, it's also optional, don't put it. The description of your book. Okay, just you need to this is a very important guys. I just do recommend you to just click on this, I own the copy and I hold the necessary publishing rights. Okay, just click on this thing. Okay, so that guys, whenever you are publishing it, okay, you have an edge to have a pre-book. Okay, you can able to do your pre-sale. You can do it. You can see that in the below section. You can see that the pre-order. Okay, if you want to put your pre-order, then it needs to be your own right. Okay, otherwise if you are putting in the public domain, then it would take time. Okay, just spend the keywords. I told you the tags, health, fitness and all. You just put on these. There are lots of categories that you can choose, and just click on the save button so that you can select and define the age group from where. From I should recommend for fitness from 10 years to 18 plus. Okay, maximum 18 plus. Okay, and minimum for I should 5th class to maximum 12th grade. Okay, grade is actually it's optional. Okay, and just click on this save and continue so that you can move toward next page. In this page you just need to upload your ebook that I told you. You just need to download it and just you know, click on the publish and pricing, whatever. I just do recommend you guys just put 1.5 to $2 maximum, because your customers are more satisfied while you having a less amount, and you are having more customers on that. Okay, you just make small amount. Don't put $50, $60. Okay, no one would buy you. I just define a trick for you in front of you, that just need to add don't five no $5 guys. Okay, if you are putting your own book, then you can do it. Otherwise, whenever you are selling others book, you just lower the price, do low price. I just do recommend you to be 1.5 to if 100 users are able to buy, then you are getting $150, okay, in your pocket. Don't worry guys, it's a passive income. Okay, it's an income that monthly comes into your bank account, and eventually, and it's a good investment and best passive income strategy, I should tell you. You can create your own if you are a good educator, if you can educate others. Okay, if you create your own campaigns, if you are good in making aware, you can make some templates, good templates. Just you need to add your own data and just get ready. Your templates are already defined. Okay, you just need to do some modifications, then your book is ready. This is best way to earn money guys. Not even a single penny from your pocket is, you know, spent on online resources. So this is it for this section. We'll see you in the next guys, and I just do recommend you to just hit the bell icon, subscribe this channel, and put the like button, so that I can make, there is always a motivation to educate others. And if you want to ask some investment strategies from me, how I earn on real estates, how I can earn from mutual funds, stock market, I just gave you more description on that. Okay, just do write in comment section. Thank you guys.